Hello and welcome back to the Metasploitable tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about this port 1524, the Ingreslock. Go ahead and do a little research on this. This is a fairly easy one. See if you can figure out how to get into this one on your own. Alright, welcome back. Like I said, this is a pretty easy one, pretty straightforward. This Ingreslock was a popular backdoor to install on a server once it was compromised to allow the attacker to get back in whenever they wanted to. We can just use telnet to get into this. Just put in our IP address of our Metasploitable virtual machine and then the port 1524. And it gives us a shell. And we are root. So that's all there is to that one.